Have you ever opened an electrical drawing and wondered what all those symbols and lines mean? Whether you're a student, technician, electrician, or engineer, understanding electrical symbols is the first step to reading any electrical drawing. In this video, we'll learn the most common electrical symbols and a simple step-by-step method to read electrical drawings like a professional. Electrical symbols are standard graphical representations of electrical components. Instead of drawing actual equipment, engineers use symbols to make drawings simple, clear, and universally understandable. Think of electrical symbols as the alphabet of electrical engineering. First, power supply symbol. This symbol represents the source of electrical energy such as AC supply, DC supply, battery, or generator. Remember, every circuit starts from a power source. Second, switch symbol. A switch is used to open or close a circuit. Open switch means no current flow. Closed switch means current can flow. Third, lamp, indicator symbol. This symbol represents an indicator lamp used to show operating conditions such as power on, running, trip, or fault. Fourth, resistor symbol. A resistor limits the flow of current and helps control voltage levels in electronic circuits. Fifth, fuse symbol. A fuse protects the circuit from excessive current. When the current exceeds the safe limit, the fuse melts and disconnects the circuit. Sixth, circuit breaker symbol. Circuit breakers such as MCBs and MCCBs provide protection against overloads and short circuits. Unlike a fuse, they can be reset after operation. Seventh, motor symbol. This symbol represents an electric motor that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Eighth, transformer symbol. A transformer transfers electrical energy between circuits and changes voltage levels. Ninth, relay, contactor symbol. Relays and contactors are electrically operated switches widely used in motor control and automation circuits. 10th, earth symbol. This symbol indicates a connection to ground. It provides protection against electric shock and fault currents. How to read an electrical drawing. Step 1. Identify the power source. The first step is to locate the power source. Look for AC supply, DC supply, battery, or incoming power terminals. Every electrical drawing starts here. Step 2. Follow the current path. Trace the flow of current from the source. Follow the lines and connections throughout the circuit. This helps you understand how power reaches the load. Step 3. Locate protection devices. Identify all protection devices such as fuses, MCBs, MCCBs, overload relays. These devices protect the circuit and equipment from faults. Step 4. Identify control devices. Look for devices that control circuit operation, such as push buttons, switches, relays, contactors, timers. These components decide when the load operates. Step 5. Find the load. The final destination of power is the load. Examples include motors, lamps, heaters, solenoids. This is where electrical energy is used. Electrical symbols are the foundation of every electrical drawing. Once you understand the symbols and learn to follow the power flow from source to load, reading electrical schematics becomes simple and logical. Practice with different drawings regularly, and your confidence will improve quickly. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Electrical Insights by Shoeb for more electrical engineering content, practical tutorials, and industry insights. Which electrical drawing would you like me to explain next? Let me know in the comments.